In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix common ClickUp automation errors. If your automations have stopped working or seem inconsistent, this walkthrough will help you quickly find the root cause and get everything back on track. First, open ClickUp on your browser or desktop app and log in. Make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients, since automations are tied to specific locations. Next, head to the part of ClickUp where the automation lives. That could be a list, a folder, or a space. Once you're there, click Automations in the top menu to see all active automations for that location. This view gives you a clear snapshot of what's running and what might need attention. Now, find the automation showing an error and click it to open the details. Read the error message closely. Common culprits include missing custom fields, tasks that were moved or deleted, or triggers that no longer make sense because your workflow changed. The message will usually point you in the right direction. Take a careful look at both the trigger and the action. Confirm that the trigger still applies, like a task status change or a new task being added. Then make sure the action is valid, pointing to the correct list, field, or assignee. If something was renamed or reorganized, update those references to match your current setup. If your automation uses custom fields, verify that those fields still exist and that their names are spelled exactly as expected. If a field was removed or renamed, fix the reference or remove it from the automation to prevent future failures. Around this point, if you need ClickUp or prefer using the desktop or mobile app, you'll find a link to the website and download options right at the top of the description. That makes it easy to follow along or set things up on your device. Once your edits are in place, toggle the automation off and then back on to refresh it. If it continues to fail, delete the automation and recreate it from scratch, carefully selecting the correct trigger and action so everything lines up with your current workflow. Test your setup by creating a quick test task or triggering the condition manually. Watch to confirm that the task updates and actions happen exactly as expected. Finally, keep automation simple. Complex chains with multiple triggers and actions are more prone to errors. If needed, split a big workflow into a few smaller, focused automations for better reliability. That's it. By checking triggers, actions, and custom fields, you can quickly fix ClickUp automation errors and keep your workflows running smoothly. Thanks for watching.